I finally found a replacement for the iclever BK06 Mate with USB Type-C. Hello and welcome back to your YouTube. It's VLD and let's get started. I've been looking for a replacement for my iclever BK05. It served me well, but with micro USB, I'm trying to eliminate that port out of my life. It's hard, it's like a bad breakup. I'm always looking for the next best thing for my iPad mini 6, just because that's my always go-to carry-on device. And that brings me to today's product. This is the ultra thin, portable, foldable Bluetooth keyboard. You can pick this off Aliexpress. I will link that down below. You can purchase this right now for about $28. If you like a split keyboard that is foldable, this product might hit all the check marks. Inside the box, you're given a USB Type-C to Type A charger cable, but these instructions are what really get me. On the top left corner, it looks like they cut off a piece. They were trying to save a couple pennies. Even the ink is cut off to the runoff part. I also like the instructions. You are forbidden to copy the manual and do not keep any liquids or soft drinks by the keyboard. Don't go swimming with it, and also keep it away from a sauna. I want to know the consumer research done in order to make these instructions for the manual. I would like to be a fly on the wall just to see how they came up with this idea. It feels just like the iclever BK06 Mate, which that's a good thing. It's Bluetooth, the keys are nice, you have pretty good travel, it charges USB Type-C. So far so good in my book. You are able to connect up to 3 different devices with this keyboard. My own glaring issue I have with this product, the LED light, it is so bright. When I connect it to the charger, like the green light, I want to say I could land a plane with this. Even the Bluetooth notification light is pretty bright. So this could also double as a flashlight, but this thing is really bright. It is not backlit, so the battery will last longer. Some people like that, some people don't. Not a deal breaker. The typing experience on this product, it's good. If you like the regular iclever series of keyboards, this is equally as good. It's quick, it's responsive. Once you open it, it connects to your device fairly quick, so there's not much lag or stutter. I'm always looking for the replacement for my BK05. This is also a full-size QWERTY keyboard that is split in the middle, so it does take a little bit of time for you to get adjusted with muscle memory. A couple of the keys, the T and the Y, they are a little bit different compared to the other ones. Like I said, muscle memory. The BK05 will fit on your lap pretty good if you like to do typing on your lap, if you take the train, bus, boat, or plane, so you can type with that on your lap. This one folds and opens up because it's bifolding and the back isn't really secure and it's more of a soft matte material. You're more ideal to use a desk, or if you have like a book bag, any hard surface you can put this keyboard on would be more ideal. When this keyboard is closed, it's roughly the same as the BK05. It's about the same dimensions all across the board. It is thinner. The key travel is equally as good as the BK05. That one is my favorite fold keyboard. Typing experience, like I said, will be really good. It is thinner. It's bifolding compared to trifolding. My only gripe is the notification light. It's so bright. For the price point of it being fairly inexpensive, it's lightweight, it's pocketable, it's portable. You have all day battery life. I believe you can get up to 40 hours on a single charge, which you only need USB Type-C. It hits all the check marks for myself, so I really have no complaints with this product. In conclusion, I do recommend this product. It's one of the more weird, obscure foldable keyboards off AliExpress, so you might not be able to trust it. Reviews are always hit or miss, but I've had this for about a week or so now, and I like it. But if you're in the market for a bifolding keyboard that charges USB Type-C for under $30, this would be a good product for you. So like always, I'm your host, VLD. Smash that bell, subscribe, and stay tuned for all the cool, weird Apple tech. Peace.